Hi, I'm Bill Feaver, and have you ever wished you had a personal assistant to help you manage and optimize your marketing strategy? How about an assistant who never called in sick, handled all of your copy, and even helped you brainstorm stellar ideas? Well, allow me to introduce you to Emerson. This is a highly intelligent AI marketing assistant. Emerson is right here to revolutionize our business journey. Emerson Magic Content Machine is the AI tool of the Home Business Academy. It is a tool placed in our premium product. Whether you need a stunning headline, persuasive sales copy, engaging emails, compelling calls to action, or even scripts for your social media videos, Emerson's got you covered. They can build, spark up catchy headlines. They can produce groovy sales copy, produce emails that attract responses, and compose compelling calls to action. Emerson can cook up fresh marketing ideas, help construct content outlines, assist in drafting boss blog posts, and much more. Now, Emerson is added into our premium product, and it was done initially, and it still is at no additional cost to the premium product. Our premium product has content added every day, more and more information, and the price has never been increased since they started it back in 2016. I want to give you a demonstration. I like to play around a little bit, and so what I did is let's type in, write a short poem about, let's talk about, say, Valentine's Day, because we're now past the holidays, and so that's the next holiday, kind of, or the next thing coming up. So let's see what it does. As we're waiting, I want to tell you that this is a product that has assisted me in a lot of ways, and I use it pretty much all the time, and it can help you write content in any way. So here's what it says. Roses are red, violets are blue. Life's sweet delight is running a business with you. Passion in our hearts, stronger than an algorithm. Finding success together, that's our true rhythm. Oh, Valentine's Day, when we love it in the bin. Our secret, loving what we do, that's the real win. Charting bold courses, not just under Cupid's spell. Our love for entrepreneurship, a story we're proud to tell. So here's to us, my fellow freedom crusader. Let's conquer this journey, a toast to the dream trader. In pursuit of our vision, let's let love unfurl on this day of hearts. Let's change our business world. That's just one idea. Let's try another one here. Write a, no, let's do it this way. Give me 5 ideas for a catchy email to about the our HBA products. And so here, 5 ideas we're looking for. And you see, it doesn't take a whole lot of time. It takes a little longer with more, some of them that are more in depth, or if you're asking for more information. But could it help you write a bunch of things? Gives you some content that you could make into a PDF to give away, those kinds of things. So it's got 5 ideas. Unleash your potential with HBA's Power Pack tools. Get ahead of the curve with HBA, your best business backbone. Hey, it's time to level up your business with HBA. Reimagine success with HBA's game-changing goodies. Extraordinary businesses use extraordinary tools. Meet HBA's suite. So those are the ideas that they've given, and then you can use those, or you can ask for more. You can keep using this over and over again. There's no limit on how much you can use this. So that's basically what I wanted to show you. And I want to give you, if you want to know some more, then go to the link below and look at I'm posting our all-in-one product, which gives you, you can get for $25 to test for 2 weeks. You can look at everything on in our products of HBA, and go attend the Zoom meetings that we have and whatnot, and make a more more a definitive analysis of whether this can help your business or not. That's what I wanted to share with you. If you could, please like my content and subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you.